Amazon kitchen must-have. These trays game changer when it comes to meal and snack
They
prep.
have reversible, stretchable lids so you can use the one side to seal in your snacks so they don't move while you're on the go, or you can use the dome side for storing larger items. They're super slim so you can stack them in your fridge or the car, and they don't take up much space in your cabinets.
My new obsession is this fitted table cover that protects my stone table from stains and scratches. It is water resistant and comes in many different colors and patterns to complement your home.
Open it down.
Okay, let's go.
Get more from your drawer? Triple the space with this organizer that expands to fit your drawer and opens up to give you 3 tiers to keep your cosmetics, jewelry, or office supplies organized.
Oh God, look at it. It's perfect.
And they all went to heaven in a little rowboat.
Must-have travel hack. Keep all your valuables safe while traveling with this locking clip bag. This travel bag is water resistant with a 3-digit lock code to safely transport money, passports, jewelry, and more. Clip into any travel bag for a worry-free vacation.
Waking up has never felt better. This sunrise alarm clock gently simulates natural light to wake you up feeling refreshed with dual alarms, a fun snooze lever, bedway noise options, and a dreamy meteor shower. Perfect for better sleeps and brighter mornings.